Hello, in today's video we're looking at the Kaleidoscope filter effect in GIMP. So to access this you want to go up to Filters at the top, then Distorts and Kaleidoscope. Now this window has lots of options. We can use this one, the mirror rotation. That's just going to choose where the image is rotating from, so you can get some cool effects with that. Result rotation. This is the finished kaleidoscope, just rotating it around a bit, so it won't affect the image other than rotating the final kaleidoscope image. Mirrors by default is set to 6. This is how many times the image is going to repeat on itself. So if you set this really high, you'll see a lot of repeating. It looks quite cool. 6 actually look pretty good on this one, so we'll leave it there. The offsets, that's just going to move the center of the kaleidoscope. So by default 0.5 and 0.5 is going to put it right in the middle of your canvas. Now center X, if we change this, it's changing where the image is repeating from, so you can get some really cool effects by messing around with this. Let's move this up here. And center Y does the same, but from the top or the bottom of the image. So again, we can get some really cool effects like this. Trim X and Trim Y is just going to cut off parts of the edge of the image, which could also give you some really cool effects. I think I liked it set to default. And you can zoom in and out, make the image bigger or smaller, and expand it, which is repeating the original image less and less actually. It's kind of like a zooming in filter. Definitely look best set to 1 in this case. So to finalize that, we'll just click OK, and there's your final kaleidoscope image. Now just to give you a bit more inspiration, I've gone ahead and tried this technique on a few other images. So here you might get some ideas for things you might want to try yourself. If you found the video useful, please press the like button. Thank you very much.